Hey everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to show some raw mom footage here of a mom of 12. It's cleaning time in the house. We're going to spend the next hour of our day getting our house under control. We do this a couple times a day sometimes. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like here, and hope you enjoy it. You'll probably be leaving looking at this video thinking, my life's not so bad, and that's okay. So first thing that I do when it's cleaning time, I have to throw up this mess of a hair into a sloppy bun, so don't judge me. It's not pretty, but it's my mom cleaning hair. Then I take my trellis, which I made for all the kids and what they have to do, and I start calling them in here so that we can all get started. We're going to work for about 55 minutes and hopefully get this house looking kind of okay. Don't judge my hair. Don't judge my house. Big mess. So I hope you enjoy. All right, so Peter, and Arthur, you're gonna be helping me in the kitchen. Andrew, I want you to clean the dining room. Violet, go make sure the little boy's room is done. And Jordan, mom's room, go. So there you have it, guys, a high-speed cleaning of a house that has 10 kids living in it. If you found this video interesting, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll make some more. Thanks.